Do you feel all distracted and it's hard to think straight because you're on your phone, you're getting distracted, you have gazillion tabs open on your computer, things are popping up, people stopping by want you to make decisions and they need answers, and you're constantly going back and forth between different tasks, and you know one thing that you need to do is stay focused on your task to be productive? Well, I'm Heike Fallon. I'm a personal performance coach, and I help my clients really with their health and personal performance to reach higher levels with a brain-based approach. And in this episode, I'm sharing my most favorite exercises that I like to do to stay better focused. And yes, for that, you need to take a short little break and follow along. Now, I love these exercises, particularly in this order. So again, come on up, join me. Before we start, number one thing is, if you've been already kind of stressed and not able to focus, that really means that your nervous system is already ramped up at a fight and flight mode. Sympathetic tone is a little higher, and we first need to calm your nervous system down. And for that, we're gonna do a good breathing exercise. I like to inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose, or inhale through the nose, exhale through your mouth. You want to do the exhale a little longer than your inhale, and you want to utilize your diaphragm for breathing. So you should be expanding all around the torso right here on your lower ribs. So not just the belly coming out. Often diaphragmatic breathing is taught just moving your belly. We really want the ribs in the back here moving as well. So think more like a cylinder expanding and coming back together. But in any case, you do not want to lift your shoulders as you're breathing. So we're going to do 6 really good breaths here. So you're going to inhale and exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Again, exhale always slightly longer than the inhale. Again, thinking of really expanding, and exhale, cinching everything together. And the inhale is expanding everything out. And long exhale. Awesome. Then you're going to take a pen, or you can use your thumb, and you're going to look at the tip of your pen at eye level for 2-3 seconds, and then you look at the target further away, and you look back at the pen and at the target further away, back at the pen, at the further away target. Always choose the same one right now. So you're going to switch back and forth right there. About 10-12 switches. And then you're going to find one target. You can use a pen. I'm going to use my camera right now because it's a great eye level for me. You're going to keep the eyes on there, on the specific target. About, like I said, you can use your thumb, otherwise something that's not further than 2 feet away. And you're just going to stand nice and tall. Keep your eyes on the target, and you turn the head to the side and back. Keeping the eyes on the target. Excellent. 3 times to one side. 3 times to the other side. Fantastic. Then, and for this one, either seated or standing, you're going to alternating touch with your left hand, your right knee, and with your right hand, your left knee. And you switch that. And ideally, you want to do that a minimum of 30 seconds. And also play around with different speeds. So you might want to go a little faster. You might also want to go really slow. And possibly also bringing always the opposite hand behind you. And you can also speed it up again. Fantastic. Few more. Feeling already more energized? Because this will absolutely help you to focus a whole lot more. We're going to finish this up with One more eye exercise. You're going to use a pen or a thumb, ideally pen. Going to hold the pen right in front, just comfortably with your arm, shoulders relaxed, and you're just going to stare at the pen with a good breathing, and also set an intention that you have for your next task. So think of a good, useful intention for your next block of work. What do you want to accomplish? What do you need to focus on? What is your next best step? And give that a try. It's for sure my most favorite combination of exercises to get refocused and getting stuff done. Also, check out other videos on my site here that might help you tremendously for your health and your performance. Keep moving.